Cutie, Daddy and Mommy want to give you a birthday present.
Thank you, Mommy, Daddy.
I know. What do you want for your birthday?
Puppies.
How many puppies do you want?
2.
Puppies. It's difficult to have puppies, so we have a small house here. Can we give you something else? What else do you want to do instead of puppies?
I'll come here and dress it up.
Can we go to the zoo?
Yep.
Yes. You happy? Honey, Malee?
I'm going to the zoo.
What do you take, honey? What do you bring with you? Who do you bring with you today?
This is Bobby.
Oh, Bo Peep and Jessie. It's a good choice, look.
Now that I'm not good.
Oh, they stay home. I like your necklace, cutie.
Thank you.
What do you have, Malee? Malee? What do you have, cutie? Are you happy? Are you good? How do you feel? Oh, bless you. Daddy?
I feel fine. We're going to the Bronx Zoo.
Let's go.